Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.
Hello everybody, Bob Luss, the Pond Boss. Robert Dyer. When play fish kill occurs due to low dissolved oxygen, which species would die first? Largemouth bass, bluegill, or catfish? If you've got an oxygen depletion and fish are dying from that, typically the first fish to die are shad, because they have a little higher metabolism rate and they have they require more oxygen than the other fish. The second thing is the bigger fish die first, whether it's largemouth bass, bluegill, or catfish. It seems as though when fish get a few years on them, their oxygen demand is higher. So a big bass has a higher oxygen demand than a little bitty bass. So you're going to end up seeing your bigger fish die first. I've seen a number of fish kills that weren't 100%, where the little bitty fish, a bunch of little bitty fish stayed behind and restocked the lake.
Pond Boss Magazine. Now this is what fuels the economy, so I can do stuff like this. $35 a year. Cheaper than a Friday night date, and it lasts a year. Adios for now.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.